When I get asked about how to start a talk, first thing I would think about is think about your audience. Who's going to be there? What do they want? What do they want to hear? And if you can grab their attention at the very beginning, lead into your subject, make your subject simple and digestible and interesting, and use clever ideas, then you're going to create a great talk.
How should you prepare a talk? I think the most important thing is to find that part of the subject matter that really gives you energy when you think about it. What are you excited about? What really raises your pulse, makes you want to communicate it? So by identifying those parts of the messages that excite you, you've got a much better chance of getting the audience excited.
If you're going to prepare a talk, you need to do three things. The first thing is you need to decide what to say. Secondly, you need to decide how to organise those thoughts. And thirdly, you need to be able to deliver them with success. Messaging, structure and delivery. That's what makes a successful talk.